Today we are going to talk about one of the most awaited products which is already being showered with positive reviews. Yes, it's the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. With all of us working from home these days, we are learning so much more. And while you're doing all this, I'm sure you don't want your wires to restrict you from anything. In such situation, Mi True Wireless Earphones is a true delight to have. Audio is a very personal thing to all of us. Different people like different music, and we understand that. After studying the music consumption pattern extensively with our Mi fans, this product is developed to appeal to the true audiophiles who love premium sound signature. So a large part of our time went into tuning this product for India. By that I mean getting you a perfectly balanced sound signature and a professional sound quality in this form factor. It's not just the tuning, it's also the hardware that it is clubbed with that gives you a more immersive sound experience in this. So trust me when I say it, a lot of work has gone into getting the sound right. The Mi True Wireless Earphones come with one of the biggest drivers you will see in this category. A massive 14.2mm dynamic driver with titanium composite diaphragm. A large diaphragm that reproduces fuller sound and gives you a good amount of bass response. When I say bass response, it's not heavy on bass, it's well balanced so your highs and mids are not overpowered. But it's not just the massive driver that gives you better sound output. It's also the high quality material and the construction that went into making this product. No matter what genre of music you are listening to, the instrument separation and the finer details in the music is something you won't miss. So if you are an audiophile who loves a balanced sound signature, crisp vocals and a rich bass that doesn't overpower your mids and highs, this is the product for you. It also comes with the all-new LHDC support, which is the low latency, high definition audio codec, which gives you the most realistic wireless audio experience. Actually, with this, you do not have any disparity between the wired and wireless audio devices. Considering most of us are working from home and we are constantly on calls, call clarity becomes one of the most important factors. The Mi True Wireless Earphones come with dual noise cancelling microphones. The algorithm works in a way that the microphone at the bottom targets your speech and works with the microphone at the top and reduces the environmental noise by 90%. There's a significant reduction in ambient noise and gives you a perfect crystal clear call clarity. So when it comes to sound, a perfect combination of 14.2mm dynamic driver, high-end audio components and finest engineering paired with LHDC gives you a more true-to-life sound experience you can indulge in. It also comes with Bluetooth 5.0, which gives you an ample range of 10 meters along with stable connectivity and faster pairing across all your devices. Talking about the design, I personally love the way it looks. It comes with premium white matte finish, which makes it look extremely stylish. It's compact, it fits in your hand, it's durable and it's sturdy. It comes with a magnetic case which ensures that the buds stay in place even if you hold it upside down. Talking about the design of the earphones, it comes with a half in-ear design which fits perfectly inside your ear. It is created after mapping different earlobes to give you a more snug fit and a more isolated experience. If you look closely, the stick has been designed to perfectly balance the earbuds so it doesn't come off easily. One of the most interesting things about the design is while most of the product is in matte finish, the earbuds are kept glossy to ensure better grip. I have a constant habit of fidgeting with this box, but the build is so sturdy that it does not affect it in any way. Talking about pairing, it's optimized with MIUI and it gets paired with all your Mi phones instantly. All you have to do is get it close to your Mi phone and you will see a pairing animation pop up on the screen. Just with a few clicks, you will be able to pair it within seconds. You have to go through this process only for the very first time you're pairing it with your devices. Every other time it will get paired automatically within no time. You have to pair it manually with your other Android or iOS device. One of the coolest features of Mi TWS are the optical sensors. They just know when to play or pause the music. Every time you want to pause the music, all you have to do is take them off. To resume, put them back without having to reach out to your phone. So if you are in the middle of a suspense movie and you want to pause, all you have to do is take them off and it will do their job. If you want to change tracks, increase or decrease volume, or make calls, all you have to do is trigger the voice assistant by tapping your left earphone twice. Additionally, you can tap the right earphone to play, pause the music, or to receive calls. And this is without having to reach out to your phone. The Mi True wireless earphones come with a massive battery of 14 hours with multiple additional charges with case, and 4 hours of battery on the earphones with a single charge. The earphones come with 30 mAh battery on each side, while the case comes with 250 mAh battery, which gives you a full day of music playback. It's so convenient that every time you run out of battery, all you have to do is charge it with the case, put them back, and resume your music. So that was Mi True wireless earphones, which you all were truly waiting for. A power-packed product with 14.2 mm dynamic driver, 14 hours of battery life, all-new LHDC codec, premium design, and so much more. We hope you guys love this product. This is me, Vinita, signing off. Stay tuned for more such videos. See you soon.